Welcome. All right, today we're going to talk about the method of undetermined coefficients. Okay, so when we look at the method of undetermined coefficients, we're looking at equations that look like this. AY double prime plus BY prime plus CY equals f of t. Okay, so these are non-homogeneous, okay, second order, okay, linear, all right, and constant coefficient. Okay, we have a couple of initial conditions. Okay, and our general solution is going to be of this form. Y of t equals c1y1 plus c2y2 plus yp of t. So this c1y1 plus c2y2, this y1 and this y1, they're not the same. So let me mark that down for you. Okay, this y1 is the, you know what, let's just change the name. I can change the name a little bit. Let's call this y naught prime. Okay, there, we no longer have the problem. Okay, so this c1y1 plus c2y2, that solves the homogeneous part. Okay, so let's actually just do that. That's going to be a review for from the stuff we were doing last week, but that's fine. So that solves the homogeneous part. Okay, so ay0 double prime plus by0 prime plus cy0 equals 0. Okay, so in this case, oh, I don't have a case yet. Okay, all right, so let's do an example. Let's start with number 10. So in the text, so that's going to be y double prime plus 2y prime minus y equals 10. Okay, and we're not going to have any initial conditions, so I don't have to solve for C1 and C2. Okay, but I am going to solve the homogeneous part. Okay, so the homogeneous part, that's going to have the characteristic polynomial r squared plus 2r minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so that's going to have roots. R equals -2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 4ac over 2a, which is 1. That's going to be -1 plus or minus square root of 8 over 2. Square root of 8 over 2 is square root of 2. Okay, so r plus is -1 plus square root of 2. R minus is -1 minus square root of 2. Okay, so our homogeneous solution is C1 e to the r plus t plus C2 e to the r minus t. Okay, that's just the homogeneous part. So there's a 0 here. Okay, now let's look at the particular solution. Ooh, running out of space already. Fix that. Okay, so particular solution. Okay, so that's going to solve. That's going to be yp of t, and it solves yp double prime plus 2yp prime minus yp equals, in this case, 10. Okay? Now, the method of undetermined coefficients is really an educated guess, okay, or a good guess. So we're going to guess at a solution. Actually, we're guessing at the form of a solution, okay? So in this case, we're going to take the guess that maybe y is equal to a, let's say. So let's take y sub p equals in a. Yp prime is 0. Yp double prime is also 0. So 0 plus 2 times 0 minus a equals 10. A equals negative 10. Okay, so our full solution, we don't have initial conditions, but we could solve it if we were given it, would be C1 e to the r plus t plus C2 e to the r minus t minus 10. Okay, all right, I'll see you guys in the next video.